enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Once again, yeah, this gondola's bound. What did you say?
Chondola.
Chondola.
That's a gondola.
That's a gondola, and we're in a chondola.
Which is that.
And if it falls, we're in Dedola. Basically. Oh no, spill.
Well, let's stop right here and swing.
Okay, yeah, we're swinging.
No, I'm not okay with this.
I don't like that.
Yeah, the baby doesn't like it either.
Yeah, the baby's crying the other one. I better be good and not, be a good example.
What if there's any Pokemon up here? There
Way
is.
down there. Oh man, are you really playing Pokemon Go
Why not?
up here? So we'll be reaching the top of this little mountain, which they call a hill, and we'll be seeing that in a minute. It's gorgeous out. I have to tell you, the green is beautiful. All right, we're pretty high up. Take a look down there. Take a look down there. We came from all the way over there. Okay, guys, we are almost at the top. Kind of see where we started, way down there. We're going way up there. Oops, you can't see, but it's way up there. All right, guys, we made it to the top. Just want to show you what it looks like. And I'm afraid of heights, so I'm just holding the camera up.
Okay, hold on. Watch, I'll do this. Give it to me.
You can sit on the edge. There's a tap house behind me. Guys, we're at the steakhouse, and the wait's been like 50 minutes. Party after party after party has been seated. We should be next. I'll let you know. All right, guys, here's the, the steakhouse, so you expect everything to be pricey. Here's the menu. I'm going with the smoky right there. Smoky burger, caramelized onions, smoked Gouda, and bacon jam. Tammy, you're getting what?
The Blue Ridge.
Tammy's getting the Blue Ridge. You're getting the what?
The Tennessee
Pork
chop.
Tennessee chop. Jeanette's getting the Tennessee chop. I was gonna get the ribeye, but I ain't paying $37 for a ribeye. I can get a $10 ribeye at the supermarket and cook it myself. But look at a nice menu. Yes, they do have kids stuff too, I'm sure.
Yes, they have a kids menu they can color on.
Cool. They get the color on it. And then you got Better Than Your Mother's Chocolate Cake. Bourbon pecan pie, that sounds good. I just want to talk about how great they are here so far. They took our order right away. They got, and people get free refills on the drinks, even if you're getting soda. So, what do you have right there?
Arnold Palmer.
All right, you probably get a free refill. Nice. Well, this may turn out to be a wonderful meal after all. Hey guys, the appetizer is chips with blue cheese, and that's what is that, balsamic vinaigrette, right? I love this combo. Okay, how is it?
Good.
Is it good? You like it? Looks beautiful.
Oh, blue cheese. Thank you. Yeah,
Like those are, if wings were sexy, those are sexy. I can't believe it. That's amazing. Okay, so your pork chop, you say is an inch thick, right?
Yeah.
Do you like cornbread?
It's bigger than my hand. Not really.
What is that? Vegetables?
Brussels sprouts and mashed potatoes. Well,
Nice.
smashed potatoes.
That's a beautiful combination.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. What is that monstrosity?
It's the Blue Ridge chicken. It's like a hot chicken with blue cheese crumbles on it.
Hot chicken?
Yeah,
Like a natural hot chicken. Have fun with that.
I know.
And then I got the smoky burger. Your guys' dishes way show mine up. And mine looks beautiful. That weighs a ton. Okay, we're waiting for the bus to come pick us up and take us back down the hill. Called the way?
Called the Ridge Rambler.
Oh, no, what was the place called that we ate at?
Oh,
Oh my gosh, we just said it.
Cliff top.
Cliff
Top.
Top. Cliff Top.
It's called Cliff Top.
Or Clifton.
That's where you get a steak, a burger, a pork chop, whatever you want, They had a small menu, but a lot of quality. These guys are definitely, I would say, an A. They were great. The service was good. The prices were what you would expect, and I would come back. So they get an A, and then see the French fries tasted a little chewy, so that means nothing to me because I didn't eat them.
So what we'll do is
So I just tasted one and left the rest on my plate. But they made my burger rare. It was so good.
you know what?
So what did you think of your dinner?
It was good.
Good.
Hot, but
How about you?
It was delicious.
It was good, delicious.
It was worth the wait.